Ito na ang sign mo mag-manifest. I was browsing through my old planner and nakita ko to, iPad Pro nung July 11 and iPad QT by July to August 2023. By August 3, meron na akong iPad. Last year, ginawa ko pang password sa Pocket Wi-Fi, iPad QT, tapos bumili ako ng pen kahit wala pa akong iPad. Ang galing, 'di ba? Grabe, I just realized that manifestation works talaga. As a person who jumps from one place to another halos every year, my ultimate dream is to finally have my own place. Of course, ima-manifest ko rin yan. Kaya there's this new urban oasis-inspired development, the Garden City, na I'm really looking at. I like na it's located in Cavite, accessible rin at malapit sa major expressways tsaka major transport networks like Cavitex, Calax, LRT1 extension at PITX. So madali and convenient ang transportation, especially pag may mga lakad ako. They also have new and affordable units at generous din ang cuts ng units nila. The best thing is the development is nature-inspired, kaya nagustuhan ko talaga siya. They have a lot of open spaces and gardens, kaya nakaka-relax ang paligid. In fact, they also won the Outstanding Property Award London 2020. Aside from these, meron din itong high appreciation potential and isa sa mga lowest priced units in the area, kaya okay na okay talaga. If you want to see it also, you can visit the Garden City Sales Pavilion located at Las Piñas, Talaba, Diversion Road, Barangay Zapote 3, Bacoor City. O, diba? Full address. Kaya sabay tayo mag-manifest. Hi in God's perfect time. So, if naghahanap ka ng sign,